Hello everyone, in this video I will be explaining about the percentage x percentage of y equal to y percentage of x. I will give you a few examples so that you can understand how this works. What is percentage? Percentage can be written 1 by 100, that is percent. Okay, now x percentage means x over 100. Okay, now I am telling you x percentage of y equal to y percentage of x. I will give you a few examples. Now 20 percentage of 160, how much? Simply we can multiply this both. Okay, that is 20 over 100 of means multiply 160. Okay, here we can write another way, that is x percentage of y equal to x over 100 multiplied by y. Okay, since it is off, now we get 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, now 2 16 32. This is the answer. And before moving to further examples, I will give you some of the thing, that is, for example, if you take 600, finding 100 percentage of 600 will be very easy. How much? 100 percentage of 600 will be 600. 10 percentage means we need to move one decimal value, that is 60. 1 percentage means 6. What about 50 percentage of 600? That will be half of 100 percentage, that is 300. 25 percentage of 600 will be half of 50, that is 150. Now 5 percentage of 600 will be half of 10 percentage, that is 30. It is easy, right? I will give you further very complex examples. Okay, now 21 percentage of 180, how much? It's very easy. Now we can split this 21 percentage into two parts, that is 20 percentage and then 1 percentage. Now 10 percentage of 180 will be 18. 20 percentage means you need to multiply 2 times, that is 218, that is 36. 1 percentage will be 1.8. If we add this one, this both, we get the value 37.8. Okay, another example, 24 percentage of 340. How to calculate? There are two ways. Either you can do 20 percentage plus 4 percentage, or 25 percentage minus 1 percentage. Which one will be easy? This one will be easy, because 25 percentage means 1 by 4th of this value. So we get 1 by 4th of this value, that is 85, minus 1 percentage will be 3.4. Okay, if we subtract this one, we get the value 82.4. Let's move to another some of the examples. In the second model, I will give you 18 percentage of 10. If somebody is giving 10 percentage of 18, we can easily calculate. 18 percentage of 10, either we need to go from 25 minus something, or 10 plus 18 percentage, we need to split. Okay, we already know that x percentage of y equal to y percentage of x. So we can change this one to 10 percentage of 18. Now easily we can calculate that 10 percentage of 18 will be 1.8. We need to move one decimal value. Okay, let's move to another example. That is 34 percentage of 50. If somebody is giving like this, now 34 percentage means we need to split it into two parts, either 30 plus 4 or 25 plus something or 50 minus something. So it is difficult, right? But 50 percentage of 34 is very easy. So we can write 50 percentage of 34. Now 50 percentage means half of the original value, that is 17. 17 is the answer. Now I will give you another one example, that is 88 percentage of 2500. If they are giving such a big value, how to do that? Only see, we already know that x percentage of y equal to x into y divided by 100. So exchanging this any number will not affect our final answer. Okay, now we can only interchange these two values. So 25 percentage of 8800, it will be easier, 1/4 of this value. So 1/4 of this value, we get the answer, that is 2200. It is very easy, right? Another one example we will see, 62 percentage of 110. So if you look 62, we need to split it into 60 plus 2 or 50 plus 12. That is little bit complex. Let's see whether after interchanging whether we can do easily or not. We will interchange it. 110 percentage of 62. See, this is very easy. We can split it into two parts, that is 100 and then 10. Okay, now 100 percentage will be same of that value, that is whole number 62, and 10 percentage will be 6.2. Now we get the final answer, that is 68.2. I hope you understood everything. If you have any doubt, please comment in the below comment section. Thank you so much.